Choosing the right door material is one of the most important steps in any home improvement project. In Melville, where homeowners value both curb appeal and durability, selecting the perfect door can improve energy efficiency, enhance security, and boost overall property value. Below are the top materials you should consider when planning a door installation in your Melville home. Solid wood doors. Why choose them? Solid wood doors are classic and timeless. They offer a warm, natural look that adds character to any entryway. Many Melville homeowners prefer wood for its premium appearance and the ability to customize it with stains, paints, or intricate designs. Benefits: exceptional curb appeal and natural beauty. Good insulation properties. Long lifespan. With proper care can be refinished or repaired if scratched. Considerations: wood requires regular maintenance to resist warping, swelling, or fading, especially in areas with high humidity or seasonal weather shifts. Fiberglass doors. Why choose them? Fiberglass is one of the most popular door materials for modern homes in Melville. These doors are designed to mimic the look of wood without the upkeep, making them a practical choice for busy households. Benefits: excellent resistance to dents, scratches, and moisture. Energy efficient with insulated cores. Low maintenance. No need for frequent painting or sealing. Available in a variety of finishes, including wood grain styles. Considerations: the upfront cost may be slightly higher than other options, but the durability and low upkeep often balance out the investment over time. Steel doors. Why choose them? Steel doors are ideal for homeowners who prioritize security and strength. In Melville, where safety and efficiency are key, steel offers peace of mind along with energy savings. Benefits: exceptional strength and resistance to forced entry. Affordable compared to solid wood. Energy efficient when insulated with foam cores. Minimal maintenance required. Considerations: steel doors can be prone to dents and scratches, and if not properly finished, they may rust. They are better suited for utility entrances or as a front door with protective coverings like a storm door. Aluminum doors. Why choose them? Aluminum is less common for residential front doors but widely used for patio and sliding doors in Melville homes. Its lightweight yet sturdy design makes it perfect for modern styles. Benefits: resistant to rust and corrosion. Great for large glass inserts and modern aesthetics. Requires very little maintenance. Long-lasting durability. Considerations: aluminum is not as energy efficient as other materials and may need thermal breaks to reduce heat transfer. Glass doors. With reinforced frames. Why choose them? Glass doors, often paired with aluminum, wood, or fiberglass frames, are excellent for bringing natural light into your Melville home. They are especially popular for patios and backyards. Benefits: creates bright, open living spaces. Enhances modern and elegant aesthetics. Available with energy-efficient double or triple glazing. Can include decorative or frosted designs for privacy considerations. While visually appealing, glass doors need reinforced frames for security and high-quality glazing for insulation. Making the right choice in Melville. When choosing a door material, think about your home's specific needs. Climate. Melville's seasonal changes mean materials like fiberglass and insulated steel can offer better year-round performance. Style. Wood suits traditional and upscale designs, while aluminum and glass fit modern aesthetics. Budget. Steel and fiberglass provide affordable, durable solutions, whereas wood is often a premium choice. Maintenance. If you want a low-maintenance option, fiberglass or aluminum may be the best fit. Final thoughts: your door is more than just an entry point. It's a statement piece that reflects your style while protecting your home. Whether you prefer the timeless elegance of wood, the durability of fiberglass, or the security of steel, Melville homeowners have a range of high-quality options to choose from. By balancing appearance, performance, and budget, you can select a door material that will serve your home beautifully for years to come.